Hello po mga kanayon, mga ka-township. I'm still working and it's 6 o'clock at night. Well, yesterday they asked me if I can do some overtime because one guy didn't show up today. So I'm doing his pickups after 4 o'clock of my shift. So I'm doing his pickups and yeah, it's 6 o'clock now. I did some already and then I'm still working on it. And as you can see, it's kind of dark now because it's 6 o'clock at night. So yeah, I'm doing some extra work. And I don't eat all day. I don't eat rice anymore. Everything is just water all day. I'm on what do you call that again? This is kind of fasting or something. I forgot the term. Intermittent fasting. Yeah, so I just eat when I get home. I make something when I get home. My salad, my greens, that's all I eat. I used to be my weight, I used to be 220 pounds. This is I think 3 years ago. And then I changed my lifestyle. So lifestyle meaning the way I eat, the way I exercise. No exercise before, so I keep eating, and now I'm doing intermittent fasting. So yeah, as you can see, the camera is wobbling because it's moving, and then I'm just telling you guys a story that I'm working still and doing some extra work since I'm not doing anything anyways when I get home. So I agreed to it, and now I'm working overtime to pay bills and whatnot. So I don't know until what time I'm working. So yeah, I can open the lights like this, but it will what do you call this, it will damage my focus while driving. Not damage, it's the harsh word. It will diminish my focus on driving. It will take away the focus on my driving. So I'm right here right now, as you can see, all the trucks around me, and then I'm on Imperial Dade right now. Oops, fucked up the focus right now. Yeah, trucks all over the place. As I've said before, from being a pharmacist back home, I worked at Mercury Drug, Baclaran, if you guys can remember me. I think I did some Sukat Paranaque before. That was like 30 years ago, 31 years ago. And I stayed a little bit longer at Imus Cavite as a pharmacist, and until I got the letter that they gave me a visa to come to Canada. And now, until now, I'm right here right now. So that's the story of my life, a little bit. I passed my board exam for pharmacy. I think it was 1994, something like that. I became a pharmacy assistant too in Baclaran while I was waiting for the result of my board exam. So that's about it for now. I have to pick up something inside the building. So mga kanayon, mga townships, see you guys later. Subscribe to my channel, Joelito's Way. Thank you. Like and share. Bye bye.